Even though it's very funny. It's been going on for so long. I'm coughing, dry cough. No sooner I get up. If I sit under the fan, I cough. Still, I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. It's very discomforting. I'm quite irritated with this cough. Still, I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. Even though this cough, it's irritating. I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. Tap the beginning of eyebrow point here with the first two fingers in the same rhythm. This dry cough with the same two fingers, end of eyes. This irritation below the eyes. This irritating cough below the nose. It's been going on for so long. Chin groove. It's just not going below the collarbone. All the medications I have done below the armpit. It becomes more if I sit under the fan or AC on the lower ribs in front. This irritating cough. Junction of nail and skin on the side of thumb. This irritating cough. Forefinger, similar point. This irritating cough at the junction of nail and skin. Middle finger, this irritating cough. Leave the ring finger, go to the little finger. This irritating cough. Back to karate chop. Still, I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. Now, place your four fingers at this point. Yes, all the four fingers, and keep tapping in that rhythm and do what I tell you to do. Just keep tapping rhythmically. Close your eyes tight, open your eyes wide. Look left down without turning your head. Look right down without turning your head. Roll your eyeballs left to right, full circle, right to left, full circle. Hum a tune. Quickly count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, hum a tune. Karate chop. I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. I choose to be free from this irritating cough. And I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. I choose to be completely free from the cause of this irritating cough. And I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. I choose to totally let go this irritating cough and its cause. And I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. Tap the beginning of eyebrow point, free from this irritating cough. Eye end point, completely free from this irritating cough. Below the eyes, totally free from this irritating cough. Below the nose, free from the cause of this irritating cough. Chin groove, completely free from the cause of this irritating cough. Below the collarbone, totally free from the cause of this irritating cough. below the armpits. Let go this irritating cough on the lower ribs. Completely let go this irritating cough. Thumbnail. Totally let go this irritating cough. Forefinger. Let go the cause of this irritating cough. Forefinger. Completely let go the cause of this irritating cough. Little finger. Totally let go the cause of this irritating cough. Karate chop. And I deeply and completely love, forgive, and accept myself. Massage the tender spot on the left shoulder as you take a deep breath in. Gently press and hold the point as you breathe out long from the mouth. So, ask your cough, where is it? How is it? Is it there? Is it not there?